Fans of Shonda Rhimes' shows already know Meredith Grey, Olivia Pope and Annalise Keating, and they're about to get acquainted with Alice Vaughn on The Catch. Here's how Rhimes' newest TV drama uses some signature traits of a Shondaland show. Nikki DeMarco, The Washington Post. Tough female lead, dysfunctional underlings, absurd plot twists. Make no mistake, The Catch is a Shondaland show. The drama series, which premiered on ABC Thursday night, is executive produced by Shonda Rhimes, the wildly successful producer behind Grey's Anatomy, Private Practice, Scandal, and How to Get Away with Murder, Anyone who has caught even a few minutes of any on that list knows that Rhimes dramas have a certain style. Review, billed as Shondaland's next masterpiece, The Catch is a paint-by-numbers forgery. A stiletto and statement coat, rocking alpha woman passionately helms a team of talented minions in an ultra-specialized enterprise that places her squarely in the path of an inappropriate, and, therefore, deeply desirable, man, wrote Julia Felsenthal in Vogue, crammed with current pop songs, sexy roles in high thread count sheets, a frantic pace that stitched together by glitzy transitional segues of the Los Angeles skyline, and the simplest, soapy-used premise imaginable, wrote the Post's TV critic Hank Stuever. As you watch The Catch, about a fraud investigator who goes after the man, her own fiancé, who conned her out of her life savings. Here are 5 signs you re-watching a show from Shondaland Production Company. Peter Krause as Christopher Hall and Maria Linos as Alice Vaughn in The Catch, Richard Cartwright, ABC, strong female lead with a killer job, Meredith Grey, Dr. Addison Montgomery, neonatal surgeon, Olivia Pope, D.C. fixer, Annalise Keating, criminal defense attorney, law professor. On The Catch, Alice Vaughn fits in quite well as the top private investigator in Los Angeles, and as ABC describes, a woman you wouldn't want to mess with. In the opening scenes, she single-handedly tackles an art thief about to take off with a rare painting, an intense, conflicted romance. Even though Alice works 24/7 to protect her private security firm's clients from hackers, she's caught off guard when handsome venture capitalist Christopher Hall strolls into her office. When he decides to give his business to another firm, Alice stalks him at dinner to change his mind. Thus begins their whirlwind romance. Unfortunately, Christopher is also Mr. X, Alice's firm's top villain, who keeps stealing from their clients. When Christopher successfully steals what he needs from Alice's company, he disappears and takes Alice's life savings of $1.4 million with him. After Alice realizes that Christopher is Mr. X, she's devastated. While normally that may be enough to tear two people apart forever, that's not how it works in Shondaland. Before Christopher leaves, he asks Alice to elope, giving the impression that maybe he's sick of the con artist life. Later, when Alice tracks him down at a fancy function, they stare at each other with fury and sexual tension. Christopher escapes. Of course, Alice pays